Hello friends, welcome to Anik Tech YouTube channel, and today's video I will show you how you can solve the problem of brightness on your Windows laptop or PC. Friends, as you can see in the notification panel that there is no brightness slider by which you can increase or decrease the brightness of your laptop or PC. Now I have a tricks to solve the problem. Okay guys, uh, go to search option, then type Intel graphics command. Here you can see guys, there is option Intel graphics command center. Click on this, then okay, here you can see there is option name display. Click on this, then go to color, then scroll down, and here you can see all colors. So guys, you can increase the brightness level by increasing this, and you can also decrease the brightness level. Here you can see you can simply increase and decrease the brightness level. Okay guys, thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like, share.